back to Science Gully. I've been receiving requests from many of you to start with basics of Arduino. So in this video, we are going to see an introduction to Arduino. The Arduino is an open source electronic platform for building electronic projects. It consists of a circuit board which can be programmed using a ready-made software called Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is used to write and upload the code to Arduino. Arduino is a great tool for taking input from variety of sensors and controlling other devices like lights, motors, and other outputs. Let us know more about Arduino. Arduino is a microcontroller board. It is just like a computer on a single IC. Now let us learn what is a microcontroller. It is a small microcomputer which is designed to perform specific tasks. A microcontroller includes processor, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip. There are many versions of the Arduino boards. There is Arduino Uno, Arduino Pro, Arduino Mini, Arduino Nano, and many more. But Arduino Uno is most commonly used. And I would say that it is the best board to get started with electronic projects and coding. Now let us learn more about Arduino Uno board. First, let us see the different types of components on Arduino Uno board. Let's start with power pins. Pin 3.3 volt, 5 volt, ground, and V-in. Pin 3.3 volts supplies output of 3.3 volts. Pin 5 volt supplies 5 output volts. Most of the components used with Arduino board work fine with 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Ground. There are 3 ground pins on Arduino, and any of these can be used to ground your circuit. V-in. This pin can be used to power the Arduino from an external power source. Digital input-output pins. The Arduino consists of 14 digital input-output pins. These pins can be configured to work as input digital pins to read logical values like 0 or 1, or as digital output pins to drive different modules like LEDs, relays, etc. Out of these 14 pins, 6 pins can be used as PWM outputs, which are used for pulse width modulation. Pins with the tilde symbol can be used to generate PWM. On most Arduino boards, the PWM function is available on pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. Moving on to analog pins. There are 6 analog pins. These pins can detect the signal from analog sensors like humidity sensor and temperature sensor. The analog pins also have the functionality of the general input-output pins, which are nothing but the digital input-output pins from 0 to 13. Now let us learn how to power the Arduino board. There are 3 ways in which you can power the Arduino board. The first one is using the USB. The Arduino board can be powered using the USB cable from your computer. All you need to do is connect the USB cable to the USB port. On number 2 is barrel jack. Arduino boards can be powered by connecting a DC battery using a battery snap to the barrel jack on the Arduino board. We can also power the Arduino board using pin V-in, which we have already seen. Now let us see what is Arduino Reset. Arduino Reset means to start your program from the beginning. There are 2 ways to reset. First way is using the reset button on the Arduino board. Second, you can connect an external reset button to the Arduino pin named reset. Now let us have a look at Arduino memory features. It has a flash memory of 32 kilobytes. Arduino Uno has a SRAM of 2 kilobytes. EEPROM memory of Uno is 1 kilobyte and bootloader of 2 kilobytes is installed, so it is left with flash memory of 30 kilobytes. Thank you for watching Science Gully. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.